Sunday morning, man, she woke up fighting mad. Itching and a moaning on about the time I had. And by Tuesday, you could say that girl was good as gone. And when Thursday came around, I was all alone. So I went for a drive to clear my mind, and in it, I put a shell on I-65. Then I wandered $100 on a scratch-off ticket, bought a 2 12-packs and a tank of gas with it. Swore they were a waste of time, all, but she was wrong. I was calling number 5 on a radio station, won a 4-day, 3-night beach vacation. Deep senorita fishing down in Panama. And I ain't gotta see my ex-teacher mother-in-law anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains, it pours.